Water, the most precious gift that Earth has given to life. In the human body, over 2/3 is made up of this seemingly ordinary substance. The flow of blood, the breathing of cells, the transformation of energy, almost every act of life depends on the presence of water.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. For centuries, people have sought out miracle waters. Hita's hot springs in Japan and Lourdes in France, to Nordenau's mine spring in Germany and Mexico's Tlacote spring, believing that they restore energy and vitality. Recent research points to a possible explanation: hydrogen. These studies suggest that hydrogen's antioxidant support may be behind the unique effects of these natural waters, bridging ancient belief and modern science.
If drinking water could take better care of you, wouldn't life feel a little easier?
Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. 70% of the universe is hydrogen. And it's extraordinary because of its tiny size. It enters the body faster and deeper than any molecule or antioxidant we've ever studied. It even reaches down into the mitochondria, the core of cellular life and the production of energy. And once it's in the cells and tissues, it does something very powerful, yet gentle. Hydrogen calms oxidative stress, the source of premature aging, cellular imbalance, and many different diseases. Hydrogen isn't just a molecule. It's about balance and restoration. It's nature working in its simplest form.
Jang Yong Chae, Korea's most outstanding water specialist.
RO 정수물에서 수소 분자를 생성하는 것은 매우 복잡한 과학적 도전이며 특히 원터치 버튼으로 즉시 생성시키는 것은 거의 불가능에 가깝습니다. 이 수전의 수소 발생기는 대부분의 사람들이 생각하는 것보다 훨씬 더 많은 고도의 엔지니어링이 필요합니다. 이 독특한 장치에는 티타늄 펠트와 메쉬, 다층 티타늄 판, 백금으로 코팅된 첨단 PEM 멤브레인으로 제작되었습니다. 높은 순도와 고밀도의 수소를 얻기 위해서는 모든 세부 사항을 정밀하게 설계해야 합니다.
After years of intensive research, rigorous testing, and continuous refinement, Elkin turned this bold idea into a proven reality, generating over 900 ppb molecular hydrogen using pure RO water. To achieve this breakthrough, Elkin partnered with one of Asia's most respected scientific institutions, KIST, bringing global expertise and validation to our technology. Molecular hydrogen's antioxidant support helps you feel more refreshed, easing daily stress, reducing fatigue, and supporting faster recovery. With Hydromi, getting hydrogen into your routine is effortless, so you can support your well-being every day. It fits seamlessly into your day. Portable, convenient, and always within reach, hydrogen has powered the stars since time began. Today, it can power your wellness. So the question is no longer what is hydrogen, but how long will you live without it?